Hello, good morning. We're in the morning, as far as this video is concerned. Sorry for the COVID-19 lockdown, but in respect of the issue is we have to read and learn at home. So this video is prepared for you to stay at home, watch, understand, pick questions and solve. I mean SS1, SS2, SS3 if you're preparing for work. With this video, you'll be able to understand how to solve quadratic equation, which is the topic we are discussing today, and how to solve related questions for exam. Prepare yourself for exam. Don't just stay idle. Don't wait for another magic to come to teach you how to do that. So today we are looking at quadratic equation. We are looking at the meaning of quadratic equation and the solution, how we can solve quadratic equation using factorization, using perfect square, complete square method, formula method, sum and products, word problem in quadratic equation, and using graph to solve quadratic equation. But keep this in mind that factorization method, complete square method, and formula method are the three major methods that we can use to solve quadratic equations. All these ones are addition to question quadratic equation. But we ask, quadratic equation, what does it mean? Quadratic equation is an algebraic equation that are used or that can be rearranged using standard method. Rearranging it in standard form. We know what standard form is, anything that has power. So quadratic equation is an equation that can be rearranged using what? Standard form. With x, which is unknown variable, and a, b, c, which is known variable. Now, what do we mean by arranging an equation in standard form? Arranging an equation in standard form means arranging it from the highest value of power to the lowest value of power. We have a raised to power 2, a raised to power 1. A raised to power 2 is the highest value. A raised to power 1 is having the what? Lowest value of power. Now when you have a raised to power 3, a raised to power 2, a raised to power 1 is arranging it in standard form. That is from the highest number to the lowest number. But when we say quadratic equation has to do with highest power of what? 2. You can't be given a question with raised to power 3, which is just like a polynomial. But no, we have a question that has highest value of what? 2. That is why we have something like ax squared plus bx plus c. This is quadratic expression. This is where quadratic equation comes from. Because the power here is 2, the power here is 1. Why this one is what? Constant. Now, we have seen the meaning of quadratic equation. That quadratic equation is the rearrangement of equation in standard form, whereby we have a known variable, which is x, and known variable, which is a, b, and c. Now, knowing the meaning of quadratic equation, how do we solve quadratic equation using all these expressions? Remember, we have quadratic equation and we have quadratic expression. Anything that is equal to any number, when there is an equation line, it becomes a quadratic equation. When there is no equal line, it is an expression. 2x squared plus 3x plus 5. This is quadratic expression. But 2x squared plus 3x plus 5 equals 0. It becomes quadratic equation. This is expression, this is equation. So, the first method we want to use is what? Factorization method. You are doing a question and you want to factorize. How do we factorize? That is the first thing we want to discuss in today's class. We have factorization method. You want to factorize. factorizing an equation, a quadratic equation or quadratic expression, remember you have two things to keep in mind. One is the product, one is what? Addition or subtraction. If you are given an expression and you have to factorize, now you must make sure you are looking for the product of that equation, which is the constant, and addition or subtraction, which is what? The coefficient of the x there. Take for example, you have x squared minus 5x plus 6. This is a question, and you have to what? Express x squared minus 5x plus 6. Now the first one is what? Product. The product here has to do with what? The constant, which is c. From the equation ax squared plus bx plus c. C here has to do with what? Products. That is, you are asking yourself, for me to get this 6, what are the two numbers I'm going to multiply together that will give me plus 6? That is products. Now, bx here has to do with what? Addition or subtraction. That is, what are those numbers that I will add together that will give me minus 5? The first one is what? Product. Product we have to do with what? Multiplication. What will I multiply together that will give me c? What will I multiply together that will give me c? And what will I add together that will give me minus 5? This is plus 6 and minus 5. So students will now start thinking, what are the product of 6? For you to get the product of 6, let me come to layman definition. For those of you that don't even know how to locate this one. For you to get 6, we have 6 times 1 is what? 6. Another number that will give you 6 is what? 2 times 3 is what? 6. I mean, another number that will give you 6 is what? 3 times 2 is what? 6. Another one is what? 1 times 6 is what? 6. These are the possible things you can multiply together that will give you what? 6. Now you ask yourself, this is plus 6. What will I multiply together that will give me plus 6? These are the possible number I will multiply together that will give me plus 6. Now for products. Now for addition or subtraction, what are those things I will add or subtract that will give me minus 5? I'm looking at minus 5 plus 0 equals to minus 5. I'm looking at minus 3 minus 2, give me minus 5. I'm looking at minus 2 minus 3, give me minus 5. I'm looking at minus 4 minus 1, give me minus 5. Many. Now this is our question. X squared minus 5x plus 6. The number that is here and the number that is here must be the same. So which number is here? And that number is also here. Here we have 2 and 3. Here we have 2 and 3. True or false? We have 2 and 3 here. We have 2 and 3 here. So when you pick this one, let us examine this. We have minus 2 times minus 3. Minus 2 times minus 3, or minus 3 times minus 2, anyone. Minus 2 times minus 3. Minus 2 times minus 3. Minus times minus is what? Plus. We are getting plus. 2 times 3 is what? 6. We're getting plus 6. So for product, this one is correct. Okay, for minus 5. Minus 2 plus minus 3 minus 2 minus 3 give us what? Minus 5. Minus 2 minus 3 gives us minus 5. So automatically this is minus 5. So minus 2 and minus 3 is the factor of this question. As simple as that. If you don't understand, rewind the question in your video again, watch it, you understand it. Now, seeing the factor to be minus 2 and minus 3, we can now solve this question. We can now solve this question that x squared minus 5x plus 6. we have seen the factors to be -2 and -3. Now, since the factor is -2 and -3, you see this -5. We are going to change it to -2 and -3. How will we change this -5 to -2 and -3? It's x squared minus 2x minus 3x plus 6. So we have x squared, which is this. Instead of writing -5, we have split it to -2 and -3 and plus 6. We have succeeded in outlining it. What do you do next? These two, put it in brackets. These two, put it in brackets. Now, when you put these two in brackets, ask yourself, look at these two. This is x squared, means we have 2x there. That is x times x. That is x squared. We have 2x here. Since you have 2x here and you take 1x, how many x is remaining there? 1. So you take 1x out. Ask yourself, what is common to two of them? You have x here, you have x here. Since x is here, bring that x out. So if you take 1x out, which means that ask yourself, x times what will give you x squared? We have x. X times x, x squared. Minus x times what will give you 2x? Since you have 2x, what are you going to multiply it with x that will give you 2x? Is 2. Because x times 2 is also x. Now, this side is simplified. Come to this side. Here is 3x plus 6. 3x plus 6. What is common to two of them here? Notice that 3 can divide 3. Have you? 3 can also divide 6. So since 3 can divide both of them, your factor there is what? 3. Minus 3. The minus here. So this common factor here is 3. Bring it and open bracket. If you've taken 3 out, what is remaining there? X. Put it here. Minus times what will give me plus? Minus. Minus, remember we said minus times minus is plus. So minus times minus. Minus times minus give me plus. 3 times what will give me 6? 2. 3 times 2. So 3 times 2 is 6. So we succeeded in expressing this. Now what is our final answer? This one and this one, they are the same. You have x minus 2, x minus 2. So if you have x minus 2 and x minus 2, you pick one, which is what? X minus 2. In this one outside, you have x here, you have x minus, minus x, minus 3 here. You have x here, you have minus 3 here. Put these two in bracket, give us x minus 3. It becomes quadratic expression. We are not asked to solve, it's not equal to 0. So this is the final answer as far as this question is concerned. So x minus 2, x minus 2. Do you understand? Yes, you understand. If you don't understand,